Welcome to this quick guide on how to enable autoplay videos on Wi-Fi only on Facebook. If you're streaming over a limited data plan or just want to be mindful of your data usage, this setting is a game changer. Let's walk through the steps so you can get back to scrolling without the surprise video autoplay. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll be greeted by your feed and the familiar blue header. From here, you'll need to access the main menu, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap that icon to open a new panel with all of Facebook's options. In the menu, look for Settings and Privacy toward the bottom. Tap Settings to enter a more detailed control panel for your account. This is where Facebook houses most of your personalized preferences, including how and when videos play. Now, scroll down to the Preferences section. This area holds the media choices that impact your viewing experience. Tap on Media to open the Media settings. Here you'll find a variety of toggles and options related to how Facebook handles video playback. Within Media, you'll see an option labeled On Wi-Fi Only. This is the switch that determines autoplay behavior when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network versus mobile data. Toggle on Wi-Fi Only so that autoplay will occur exclusively while you're on a Wi-Fi connection. This helps conserve your data plan while still delivering a smooth video experience when you have reliable Wi-Fi. With this setting activated, Facebook will autoplay videos only when you're on Wi-Fi. If you ever need to change it back for any reason, you can revisit the same path and switch it off or adjust a preference as your data needs evolve. That's all there is to it. Simple steps to keep your data usage in check without sacrificing content you enjoy. If you'd like, I can tailor this script for a different voice style or add on-screen cues to match your video pacing.